Alright, we're starting a new unit today on polynomials. So let's review what a polynomial is. A polynomial is a monomial or a sum of monomials. Okay, so a polynomial, we have certain names for certain polynomials. A polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Bi means two. A polynomial with one term, monomial. Polynomial with three terms is a trinomial. And then four or more terms, we just refer to it as a four-termed polynomial, like four-term polynomial. Or we could just say it's a polynomial, right? So we can add, we can subtract two polynomials, but in order to add or subtract two polynomials, we need to review what a like term is. Okay, a like term is defined as the same variable raised to the same power. So a like term is the same variable raised to the same power. Now understand that we need to write it in standard form for a polynomial. Now standard form for a polynomial is when the exponents are written in descending order. So the greatest exponent first, and then in descending order after that. Alright, so like term, same variable, same power. Okay, and then when we're done, we need to make sure it's in standard form, which means the greatest exponent comes first, and we write them in descending order. So I'm looking at number one. Number one says to simplify. We are adding these two polynomials together. So I'm looking for like terms. This 3x squared and this 5x squared are like terms. Same variable, x raised to the same power of 2. So 5 plus 3, that gives me 8x squared. Now I go down, descending order, right? So now I'm looking at x to the first. 7 and negative 8. So when I combine these two like terms together, same variable, x, same power of 1, 7 minus 8 is a negative x. And then my constants come at the end, 9 minus 5, that's positive 4. Looking at number two, we're going to subtract these polynomials. Now what I'm going to suggest is that we're going to rewrite this and we're going to distribute this in minus sign to all your terms in that second parentheses. So this would be 11x cubed minus 21x squared plus 5x minus 13. And now minus 9x cubed plus, because minus times a negative, negative times a negative makes a positive, so plus 14x squared minus 8x, and then again plus 17. Now we're just combining like terms. So let's find our like terms. Like terms, same variable, same power. I have an 11x cubed, a negative 9x cubed. That gives me 2x cubed. I have a negative 21x squared. I have a 14x squared, so it's going to give me a negative 7x squared. I have a plus 5x and a negative 8x. That's a negative 3x. And then minus 13 plus 17, that's positive 4. Same thing on number 3. We're going to distribute this minus sign so that we can just combine like terms. So we got 13x cubed plus 18 minus 29x squared minus 25x cubed plus 18x squared minus 7x and then plus 12. Now combine like terms. I see x cubed, I see x cubed. We combine those. We combine those, we get negative 8x cubed. I see an x squared. I see an x squared. We combine those, we get negative 11x squared. X, no more x's. Okay, so negative 7x. And then constant, so plus 30. Alright. Number 4 says a triangle has a perimeter of 18x plus 7y. One side of the triangle has a length of 4x plus 8y. Another side has a length of 7x minus 3y. Find the polynomial expression that represents the area of the third side of the rectangle. So we get a perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side. Alright, we know the perimeter is 18x plus 7y. So 18x plus 7y equals 4x plus 8y plus 7x minus 3y, and then plus the last side. Alright, so I've got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 x. I've got plus 5y, and that's 18x plus 7y So this is both of my sides added together. What we're going to do is we're going to take our area, subtract this two sides, and we're left with the only other side. So 18x minus 11x, that's going to give me 7x. 7y minus 5y is going to give me positive 2y. Number 5 says, here's f of x, here's g of x, find f of x minus g of x. So we've got negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. We're going to subtract g of x, so minus negative 2x squared minus x plus 3. Now once again, let's distribute our negative. So negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 plus 2x squared plus x minus 3. Combine like terms, bam, bam, that gives you a negative x squared. Bop, bop, that's positive 6x. Bada bing, minus 5. Alright, now last one, it says solve for k. Alright, so let's get this reduced, and we can solve for k. So again, we're going to distribute our negative. So 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 12x minus 7 minus x cubed minus 2x squared minus kx and plus 2 equals 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x minus 5. I know it's long. Alright, so now let's combine like terms on this side. These are on the same side, so let's combine them. So we got 3x cubed, negative x cubed, that's 2x cubed. We've got plus 4x squared minus 2x squared, that's a positive 2x squared. We've got plus 12x. I don't see any more x's. So plus 12x. We've got a minus 7 plus 2, so that's minus 5 equals, plus minus kx equals 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x minus 5. Now let's get our x cubes together, so that's going to cancel out. Let's get our x squareds together. That's going to cancel out. So we've got those cancel out. We've got minus 12x minus 12x. So we've got negative kx equals negative 5x. Now let's divide by x on both sides. We get negative k equals negative 5, so k equals positive 5. Easy breezy.